Welcome students. Today's topic is antonyms and synonyms. Okay. Now take out your book, and in your book take out page number 93. Open page number 93, chapter number 1, in the vocabulary section. Okay. So antonyms and synonyms. So what is antonyms? First of all, understand what is antonyms. Antonyms. Antonyms means opposites. Opposite word. Opposite words are like allow, disallow, good, bad. This is antonyms. White, black. ठीक है. Basically the words which are opposite to each other are called antonyms. Opposite word. हिंदी में अपन बोलते हैं इसको विलोम शब्द. ठीक है. चल one another word, day, night. Okay. Now understand what is synonym. Synonym. Similar word. Synonym is similar word. What are similar words? Similar words are like I'll say junk. Junk means rubbish, trash. ठीक है ना. Fast. Synonym is tight. अच्छा, beautiful. Beautiful synonym of beautiful is pretty, lovely. ठीक है ना. तो ये आपके सिमिलर वर्ड्स इस टाइप के होते हैं. So today we'll do antonyms. What are antonyms? Because similar words you have to just learn the word. You need to learn synonyms. But antonyms you can make a word opposite to it. For example, there are few rules in it, like let me tell you. See, rule number 1. Rule number 1 says, if we add this before a word, it become opposite of that word. For example, like, okay, if I add this before it, it becomes dislike, and dislike is opposite of like. ठीक है. For example, honest. There's a word honest. If I add this before honest, it becomes dishonest. So honest, opposite of honest is dishonest. Similarly, rule number 2. In rule number 2, if we add un before a word. If we add un before a word, it becomes opposite of it. जैसे kind, unkind. Okay, lucky, unlucky. Understood? Now rule number 3. Rule number 3 says if we add in before a word, like correct, if I add in before correct, it becomes incorrect, which is opposite of correct. Direct, indirect, it becomes indirect. Before direct we add a word in, it becomes indirect, and indirect is opposite of direct. Okay, now rule number 4. Rule number 4 says add mis to a word like use. If I add mis and the word misuse, misuse is opposite of use. Okay, rule number 5 says if we add ir, il or im before a word, it makes opposite of it. For example, regular, if I add ir, irregular, irregular is opposite of regular. Same way pure, if I use if I add im before a word which is pure, it becomes impure, and impure is opposite of pure. I hope you understood. If you have any problem in it, just ask me in live class. Okay, rule number 6. What rule number 6 says, if we replace full with less in the end of a word, in the end of a word, uh, there there is written full. If full is written in the end of a word, and if we replace full with less, it makes the opposite of the original word. For example, useful, useful. Here what we will do, we will replace full with less. The word becomes useless, and useless is opposite of useful. Okay, another word, careful. Up, careful, in the end of careful, full is being replaced with less, it becomes careless, and careless is opposite of careful. Okay, Rule number 7, replacing prefixes. प्रीफिक्स मतलब वर्ड से पहले जो आ रहा है, स्टार्टिंग ऑफ अ वर्ड, दैट इज प्रीफिक्स, उसको हम दूसरे ऑपोजिट प्रीफिक्स से रिप्लेस कर देते हैं, तो वर्ड ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा. जैसे देखो, इनसाइड, prefix is in, we will replace in with out. Okay, opposite of in is out, so this word outside is opposite of inside. ठीक है. चलिए, रूल नंबर 8. Rule number 8 says, in rule number 8 we have to completely change a word to make the opposite of it. This rule is not based on any rule. There is no rules in it. You just have to replace a word. For example, good, bad, come, go, close, open. No rules is being used in it. You just have to replace a word. Okay, so in page number 94, page number 94, page number 95, there are few opposites are given. Okay, and you just have to read it. And in page number 96 and page number 97, in your textbook Honeydew, you have 10 lessons. In those 10 lessons, you have few words which can have opposites. Here all the opposites, all the antonyms are given lesson wise. For example, in lesson 1, a word is late, early. The opposite of early is late. So in lesson 2, there is a word before. Antonym of before is after. So from lesson 1 to lesson 10, all the words in those lessons which can have antonyms are given in page number 96 and page number 97. Okay, chaliye, now the homework one. In page number 97, you have exercise 1. In exercise 1, you have 1 to 10 questions. In page number 97, only 7 questions are given. You have to turn the page, and in page number 98 you have 3 more questions. Okay, so you have to do exercise 1, complete exercise 1 in your copy. Okay, and in page number 99, synonym is given, similar words. So for synonyms, there is no rules No rules can be applied on synonyms. You just have to learn the words. So read page number 99, 100 and 101. This is your homework. You just have to read these 3 pages. You don't have to learn or write, just read one time. Okay, this one, page number 97, this is your homework.